I got a very unique and one-of-a-kind treats for you today. Welcome to this insane Connecticut Castle for sale. This home is listed at $29 million, has 9 bedrooms, 10 baths, and is 18,777 square feet. One of the major benefits of this home is that you are sitting on 375 acres and it has a 30-acre lake. This home was built in 2010, but it definitely is intended to take you back to the Renaissance period. I would really love to know your thoughts on this. Is this a monstrosity? Is it a magnificent home? I really would love to know your thoughts on it. It's definitely not something I would go for. However, I think it would be, you guys know me, I'm always thinking of some kind of way to utilize a property, but this I think would be very cool if you hosted Renaissance fairs or medieval festivals. I think that would be the best place ever. It wouldn't get any better for something like that. Let me know your thoughts on this place. Wonder if this home has a bunch of nooks and crannies. Like in castles, there's always hidden passages and that type of thing. One thing I do wish is that it had taller ceilings. In a castle, you're going to have a lot more height than the ceilings in this. I know this is in Connecticut. This isn't in Europe. But if the ceilings were higher, I might be a little bit more convinced. What I would give to do a live tour of this home. I've probably mentioned it before, but my future goal of this channel is to do live tours for you. If you would like to support me in that, head on over to my Patreon. It's in the description. The goal of that is to help get me on the road so I can do live videos for you guys. I guess the only word that I really have for this is fascinating. This is a fascinating home. And imagine what it took to build a house like this, the ingenuity, the creativity. You have to hand it for that. That is definitely one of the most creative homes I've ever seen. If you like this home, please hit that like and subscribe for more unique content. And as always, thank you for watching.